Do you like going places? Do you get a kick out of traveling the world, seeing the sights and sounds of this great universe and everything in between? Are liminal space photos too creepy for you? If the answer is yes to all of these questions, do I have the art movement for you? I call it Travelpop. Almost dropped this. You see, Travelpop is my new subgenre of vaporwave that romanticizes, well, travel and things in transit, going places. But it's more than just the music. If you've seen the community tab on this channel, you may have seen me post a couple of these right here. These pictures of my luggage with assorted goodies in them. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your very own Travelpop Luggage masterpiece. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Right, the suitcase. This is where Travelpop was born. You see, a long time ago, I got really bored one day. So I decided to practice packing my bags, you know, just for fun. So I went to my dresser, got some socks, got some undies, got some clothes and whatnot. Started packing them for no particular reason, other than just to get the practice in. And then I had an interesting idea. What if, instead of just clothes and toiletries and regular suitcase things like that, you put in more interesting items like a watering can or a spatula, for example. Sort of put them in like so. And just like that, a new art genre is born, Travelpop. This was like C-Punk 2.0 to me. And then eventually I decided on the whole liminal space thing, you know, that sort of thing. It was a bit ad hoc, a bit spontaneous, but you know, the sentiment is still there. And eventually I got meaning for these Travelpop luggage photos. I decided that these luggage photos are a reflection of the artist's current state of mind, what's going on in their day. Because Travelpop is really focused on the present, less about the past, less about the future, less about where you come from, less about your destination. It's all about where you're at. Right now I'm thinking, looking at this little canvas here, it could use a little action figure right in the center there. No particular reason other than I thought of it. You know, recently I've decided that Travelpop, the music, should be very synth-centric. You know, like with steel trees and whatnot. So I'm gonna take this, you know, synthesizer book, which is pretty old, very vintage, and to celebrate my decision to make Travelpop very synthy, I'm going to put it in the photo. There's a lot of interesting things that you can put in the netting too. So, like for instance, right now I'm thinking of putting some games in here, so I could just sort of unzip, use it as a sort of display case for my games. This is a little trick I've done before, including like video game or DVD cases in there every once in a while. It's really kind of cool. That looks really nice. And go back to the reference point, see how it looks, and determine if it needs anything else. And if you get stuck, you can pick certain items to reuse for multiple photos. Like for instance, these paintbrushes. I like to use these paintbrushes quite a lot actually. I'll just stick them inside here. And yeah, I think this photo is ready. So let's take the photo. But wait, your work isn't quite done yet. You've got to pack the bag. You got to take a picture of the bag. But another really important step to this process is unpacking the bag. It's just the way of life, you know? Any piece of luggage that's packed eventually needs to be unpacked. You know, when you get to where you're going, you know? It's really important to be able to unpack, and it's equally as important as being able to pack in the first place. So this is a very important part of the process. So, you know, take these out. These were downstairs. We'll attend to these later. And it's a really great way to get yourself organized. You know, you get a sense for where all your stuff goes and all that, and you figure out the best way to pick up everything and put it in your place. So it's really useful in the real world. Let me get these brushes. Gotta be careful, they're kind of antique. Last week we got the video games. Stop! You know, this is kind of fast because I didn't put much in this photo. And now that our suitcase is empty, we're ready to close it up and take it away.
Well, there you have it. That is how you make your own Travelpop luggage. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Leave a like and comment, and let me know what you want me to do in the next video. Stay tuned to the channel for more Travelpop and more original music, and maybe some music tutorials along the way. So, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.